What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Realtek HD audio driver errors and problems on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Realtek HD Audio is one of the most popular sound drivers for Windows PCs. It provides high-quality audio output and supports various features and enhancements. However, sometimes you may encounter errors or issues with the Realtek HD audio driver, such as no sound, distorted sound, or even driver installation failure. These problems can be caused by various factors, such as incompatible or outdated driver versions, corrupted or missing driver files, or hardware conflicts. To fix these errors, you need to download and install the last and correct version of the Realtek HD audio driver for your PC. To begin, you need to know your baseboard manufacturer and product number. To find these values, search for System Information in your Start menu search and hit Enter. In the System Information window, look for the baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product values. These should be next to each other. Take note of your manufacturer, which in this case is Lenovo. Afterward, open up your web browser, type in your baseboard product value and hit Enter. Click on the first link of your system's manufacturer that pops up. Now, on this web page, you need to look for audio drivers for your Windows PC. Depending on each manufacturer's site UI, the process of navigating to your audio driver would be a bit different. If you have the Lenovo manufacturer, you need to enter your system's serial number first. Next, under the Manual Update section, click on Select Drivers. Now go to Audio and proceed to download the recommended Realtek audio driver to your PC. Once downloaded, proceed to install the correct and latest version of the Realtek HD audio driver on your PC that is compatible with your system's manufacturer. All links to the Realtek HD audio driver pages for each manufacturer and more information will be provided in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.